Removing Architrave can look simple, until half the plaster comes off with it. In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to remove your door Architrave with minimal damage to your walls. We'll run through the tools you'll need and share a few tips to make the job much easier, especially if you're planning to reuse your existing trim. Before you start, here's a list of tools you'll need. Right, let's get stuck in. Before you pull anything off the wall, take a minute to assess the area properly. The first decision is whether you're replacing the Architrave completely or planning to save and reuse it. If you are reusing it, you'll want to take a little extra care during removal. The most important step in this whole process is scoring the edge properly before you start prizing anything away. Using a Stanley knife, carefully run your blade along the outer edge of the Architrave on both sides and along the top. Then run the knife along the inside edge of the Architrave where it meets the door lining. This breaks the bond between the paint and the cork, massively reducing the chances of tearing plaster or pulling paint off the wall. You'll also want to cut along the join where the Architrave and skirting meet. This helps break the bond between the two so you can keep your skirting intact with minimal damage. Once you've scored all the way around the Architrave, you're ready to start removing it. We always recommend starting from an inner corner, as this usually gives you the easiest access point. This is also where pins and wood glue are most likely to have been used to fix the Architrave, so it's the best place to begin breaking those bonds. Using a chisel and hammer, gently tap the chisel between the Architrave and the door lining. As you tap in, you'll see the Architrave start to lift slightly away from the lining. Once you're about a centimetre in, pull the chisel gently away from the lining to lift it free. Work in small increments, moving along the length of the Architrave. This helps avoid putting too much force on any one area, which could damage the wall or the trim. If you're not planning to keep your Architrave, you can use the same method but take less care, or using a crowbar to lever it away more quickly. Continue working your way around until the entire Architrave comes free from the wall. If at any point the Architrave separates at the corner joints, don't worry, you can easily bond it back together later using a two-part adhesive when you reinstall it. If you're not refitting your Architrave, then you're done. But if you're reusing your Architrave, the next step is to prepare it for installation. On the back, you'll often find small pins that held it in place while the glue dried. These need to be removed. Using a pair of pliers, pull the pins out from the back, not the front, as pulling them from the front can damage the visible profile. Once all the pins are out, use a wide scraper to remove any remaining glue residue from the back. You're aiming for a flat, clean surface, ready for the Architrave to be fixed back in place. And that's everything you need to know on how to remove Architrave cleanly without wrecking your walls. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other DIY videos for more tips on your next project. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.